I'm meteorologist Allison Chinchar. Here's the latest update from the National Hurricane Center on Tropical Storm Iota, now with sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, gusting up to 50. The forward movement still to the west-southwest at about 5 miles per hour, so it is moving rather slow, but the storm is expected to intensify over the next 24 to 48 hours as it moves into very favorable conditions for this particular storm. So we do anticipate that this is likely going to get to a hurricane, likely in the next 48 hours or so. At this point in time, landfall is expected to be likely sometime Monday or perhaps even Tuesday. Now, the one thing to note is that where it's going, there's a pretty good consensus. Most of the models have really come into very good agreement that they anticipate that it's going to head towards Central America, namely towards the Nicaragua-Honduras border, and then eventually push into the Pacific Ocean after crossing back over areas of Guatemala. The ultimate question becomes, though, the when. This is where the models don't really have quite as good of agreement. For example, the American model has this really making landfall closer to Tuesday around 7 a.m. Eastern time, whereas the European model is a little bit faster, putting landfall much closer to Monday at 7 p.m. Because this would be faster, it would not have as much time to intensify, so the European model has a slightly weaker storm. Regardless of when this system makes landfall or where, rainfall is going to be the biggest concern widespread across this entire region. You're looking at massive areas to pick up around 6 inches of rain, but especially along the coast and on the northern fringe of this storm, you could end up picking up well over a foot of rain. In some areas, 15 to 18 inches also is not out of the question, especially if it continues its slow forward movement as it continues to cross over the islands. We'll keep you posted with more updates in the coming days.